Neck, no neck, not a necko, not a necko. Nya 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 necko, necko necko, necko necko, necko, necko necko neck necko. Neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko. Necko necko neck and the neck necko necko neck the neck neck and necko necko neck the neck neck and neck neck necko necko neck neck necko necko. Necko 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 neck 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 and necko 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 neck 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 and necko 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 neck 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 and necko 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 necko. Necko necko neck 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 necko neck 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 necko 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 necko. Necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko 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 necko. Necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko. Necko 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 neck neck necko 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 necko. Necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko necko neck necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko 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 necko.
How do I get the bot in here? Hi, everybody.
Necko 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 necko. Neck 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 necko neck 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 necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 go neck go neck 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 necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko 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 necko. Necko 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 no net 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 necko necko net 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 necko 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 necko.
I thought I'd be able to put the chat in here, or the bot in the chat.
Necko 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 necko.
All right, well,
necko necko necko.
how do I do this?
Necko 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 necko.
Streaming tools. I don't know. Screw it. Screw it. Let's close this. Close this. Oops. Wrong keyboard. That works. That works. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their happy 420. Okay. Oh, I gotta get the music going. I had to think about it for a second. Let me close this. Here we go. Hi, everybody. I'm Ultra Derek. I am not a Neko. Imagine that. Imagine not being a Neko. And that's me. That is me, not being a Neko. All right. We put on the music here. Holy shit. Yeah, there's this one like video that I played yesterday, and the whole fucking thing was freaking. It was freaking like copyrighted, and they blocked my channel. They blocked my stream, basically. What the fuck, Dio? Yeah. Did I update my Twitch? What's my thing say? Never ending programming. I'm about 420. Hell yeah, brother. 4 freaking 20. All right. And this is running in the background. All right. And I think that was everything. Sometimes I forget something. All right. So I've been kind of working on this and, man, my brain's like fried. I almost like just did a video game today. Because I'm kind of making like a big change. For my web UI, I just went ahead and just put this in here, and the info will have ID and all that shit. So I decided to just go ahead and just delete my already saved data that I had. Well, I didn't delete it. I moved it over. But what I'm going to do is add creator. Oh, it's like add and check. So what is this? So because my web UI, I can do changes to it. I can be like, oh, I don't want to have certain things. I can go through here and like delete them and all that stuff. Like I might, for like him, I might want to just do like all his old stuff and none of the really new stuff because he's dead. Yeah. So I was kind of like going in here, content change. So in here, like I'm like checking to see if there's creators. I guess like I should just go through all of them. If strings compare name, so found, but there's an error. I shouldn't run into this issue ever. Found, I should say like updated. But in here, it's like, it's going through the IDs and then like, if the IDs equal, well, it's first going through the creators and then like comparing the channel name, info name and like it compares like if the IDs are the same. Hello. And then it's going to compare the names. The names don't, errors new. No, this is like ID. This will be like ID's the same. Same name is different. But we shouldn't run into this issue because I completely changed it. Yeah, I meant to like set up my Proxmox machine. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. I'll have to like, before the stream starts and during the day, like I have to fix it. And then like during the stream, I guess I'll install it. I don't know if I can install a new Proxmox or not. I guess I'll like try to like grab everything and then install a new Proxmox. Holy fuck, it's a pain in the ass. Do I need to like bring the thing in here? It's not a big server. But I do have like things sitting on top of it. I have a switch on top of it. What else I have sitting? I think that's about it. I think I just have a switch sitting on top of it. I thought about just putting my servers down. I forgot to update BIOS before adding CPUs. Fuck. I thought about buying like a. I got 64 gigabytes of DDR4 just sitting around, unopened box. And I thought that I just might like make like a new server. I might, I don't know. 224 platinum for $100. Yeah. Does it take DDR4? Yeah. Even like the freaking like server RAM, it's just fucking expensive. I don't know if I want to return anything. I shouldn't be returning anything here. Add content creator. Oh, this is just one content creator. All right. You think they're dropping? They're just... They weren't going to be like skyrocketing the whole time. They're going to find some like... You know, it's going to overshoot, then it's going to find a steady state for a while. So we'll see what happens. Man, they're talking about like... And like Elon Musk is pushing this, like universal basic income or whatever the fuck it is. Like, what the fuck, man? It's so fucking dumb. Content type. I guess like... If service dot URL strings dot contains has been around for a long time. It's like replacement for all the social services. I just think it's stupid. If everybody gets the same income, base income, you might as well just have the base income be zero. It just doesn't make any sense. What's the difference if you add like $100? If you make it $100, $1,000, $1 million, $1 billion. I mean, it'll fuck everything. Make it $1 billion at once, it'll fuck everything up. So instead of unemployment, food stamps, etc., you just do that. It hasn't worked in all. It hasn't worked in all of the EU countries that have tried it. Yeah, it's just the dumbest thing. It's the dumbest fucking thing. Some odd reason they think like AI and robots are gonna make like basically going to destroy scarcity, and that is not going to be true. Like they think that like robots and AI are going to be, I mean, like let's say they're better than at everything that we do, right? But we might be better at one thing that robots are not at good at as something else. It's probably going to create new work. Yeah. I just cannot see them do like complicated, and it's going to take forever until they can do like complicated, like actual mechanical stuff. Yeah. And like, honestly, power wise, humans are like compute per watt, like going to be way higher. And like what are they gonna like run all this shit on? That's why soldiers still exist. Exactly. It's because we're cheap. Like, honestly, like the electricity is so cheap right now. That's the only reason. But like, when you're starting to like, if you're gonna ramp up all this other shit, they're gonna make electricity so expensive, and the people aren't gonna have it. There's a lot of doomsayers and shit like that saying that everything's gonna end. But I think like, I guess they were like saying that like CEOs are just like, we're not going to have any customer. Like if we don't have any employees, we're not going to have any customers. And like all the CEOs are, I don't know why they're like going at breakneck speed to try to have like no employees. They're just fucking retarded. Do they think it's going to be cheaper or something? Well, I think they're like drinking the Kool-Aid. Like, I don't care how fucking AIs can't even fucking like. Well, once they do remember, maybe it'll be a lot better. But they don't have a fucking memory of anything. Like, you gotta like put in the entire conversation that you had with them in order to for them to have a memory. I've been kind of thinking about a means around that, though. I've been thinking about it. Yeah. It'd be part of the brain. Like they kept saying, no, more junior engineers, but how do you get seniors? You have to train them. Yeah, I mean, like, and they help. I mean, like, I've been finding it very useful for like this to really help out with like trying to enable like me trying to work around like a feature that I'm not like used to, and or a library. It's been very helpful with that. But once you train it and get it in your brain, it's going to be like, you know, it's going to be great. But I just don't know why they're just like going hard out, drinking the Kool-Aid that everything's going to be, how do I put it? Everything's going to, like, everybody's going to, they're going to replace our jobs with fucking like robots. I was like, who was just doing it the other day? I was just reading a Wall Street Journal and they're like, oh no, not again. Another like doomsayer CEO. I think you'd think they'd be fucking like smart, but they're not. Like, what the fuck? They're gonna get themselves freaking killed with all this doomsaying. And I don't condone it, any kind of violence, but yeah. Yeah. Service. I guess like YouTube. I should say like U flags. I think I could just do this. I've seen a lot of people drink the Kool-Aid. People don't understand. Once unemployment drops a little bit, all the government kind of just, you know, ban things. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're still gonna have lawyers, because imagine people in government, like basically like almost all of the lawmakers are lawyers. Imagine them like giving away their position of power. And it's not going to happen. It is not going to happen. And who's going to blame, like, who are they going to blame on, like, okay, so if they give like if an AI give a misdiagnosis, like, are they going to blame the company that did it? Or I think the company will not want to be held responsible at all. And so they'll probably like have some sort of disclaimer for that. And so they're going to have probably doctors take the fall. So they'll still have to have doctors for that. Yeah. I don't even know if like fucking self-driving cars, insurance is already getting sued for that. Yeah. I mean, like, I don't even know if they're going to have self-driving cars, because like, imagine like the insurance issues with a car that gets in a fucking accident, like that's self-driving. It's going to have to be beyond like anything. I would say like the only time that they should get sued on that, I mean, like, you're going to have to, the person driving the car, I guess the person in the car is going to have to take responsibility. Unless it's like a cab, self-driving cab, and then it'll be the company that owns the car. But they're just gonna try to like push it up. And no one's gonna, and like, so then that service is gonna cost like way, way, way more. I think they're fucking stupid. We don't even have like the power to fucking do it. They're yelling and screaming at the top of their lungs that we don't have enough power. And there's so much like red tape for power. I would say 20 to 40 years we see us in different places, but well, a lot of it, I can see us in a different place, but we'll have a lot of different problems now than now. I will always have the same. I think my thing is, this is what I believe. We always have the same problems, different year. We don't live long enough. I just don't see. I think like, I don't want to say it's like crypto, but it's getting to that point. Small nuclear reactors, but like here, like nuclear reactors, like the amount of power that we want to have, like it will only last like a few hundred years before we got to find some other type of source. Although we'd have to like, we barely like tap the surface of the Earth's crust, right? But like, what are we gonna do? Like fucking just dig like 14 miles deep in a certain area and interstellar. What's that? Like interstellar mining in space. That's only if the scarcity on Earth is so fucking bad. I think, okay, so for fusion, if they ever get fusion to work, which I think they're probably, I don't know exactly what's going on with fusion, but part of the problem is finding the hydrogen with the with one or two neutrons in it. Now, was it deuterium? And I don't know what the other one is. Maybe there's a higher source of that on the moon, but that would be like the only reason I think we would like, only thing we'd really mine for in space is to be able to get that energy. Because like, it's hard. If there's like a much greater concentration of it on the moon, because it's so fucking hard to get here on Earth. D2O, I think we're pretty close, still 20 years away. Yeah, it's always 20 years out, right? "20 years out, baby, we'll get that fusion." It's like, if one thing stays the same, is that fusion is always 20 years out. What's happening with quantum computing? Is that going to happen? It's turning out to be like an impossible task, right? Quantum, like, to be useful, I don't think it. I'll be surprised if it's ever useful. It's just like, each like what do they call those things, like oh man, yeah, interfacing with it, and like the errors just multiply. What do they call it? Quantum computing, quantum bits. Each time they add like a quantum bit or whatever it is, it's like it's like I don't want to say squaring it, but like it's making it like a magnitude more errors. And how many quantum bits? Quantum bits will be useful for a quantum computer. Quantium, 10,000 to over 100,000 physical qubits. Where are we at now? 10,000. Recent estimates suggest that this is the threshold for building useful error-corrected, fault-tolerant system. Targets for large-scale industrial relevant problems such as material science. How big of a computer can they have? You think the quantum bubble is going to dwarf that? Like, is it really that useful? I mean, basically it's like really good at finding like repeated things. What's like the most we got right now? Qubits do we have now? Do we got now? Come on, AI, tell me. April 26th, the current record is... No way. Atom computing also holds a high... Neutral atoms. So this is experimental way. Does it really count? The idea is being able to do math. The math can be done instantly, then integrate into silicon systems like traveling salesman or chess. Yeah, I guess so. Crypto. Your crypto wallet's gonna be fucking cracked. Yeah, RSA. I don't know. Like, what's the new one? Like, what are the different crypto keys? I guess for SSH. Most secure and fast. Most compatible. I think I got to put the Ed 209 here. 255. They should have named it Ed 209. Recommend for modern. I think this one uses vectors. Ed 209. I had to switch all mine over to Ed 209. This is how much I really want to do this. I really just want to play a fucking video game. Maybe we'll play tomorrow. Fuck, I don't know. I was thinking about just putting the freaking thing on here. Eugenics. Oh, that game's like super long. I can't play like a super long game. There's like tens of thousands of hours for that game. I need something with completion. But yeah. I should have like a list of these. Web services, web UI entry. Changed. I should say like added or changed. Ow! I really should have like a for loop on this. Service at URL. Okay, let's go to U flags. Oh, fuck. Can I go? There we go. What the fuck? No. Should I just call it like content? Oh, not content. Services. All right, func. Get service list. Oh, this kind of sucks. Okay. I wish I could just like throw those in there. Oh, this should be spaced. I wish this could be more automatic than that. I wonder if you can change those. Anyways. I saved that, right? Add creator. Fuck you. I don't have that any longer. Add creator's gone. Not enough arguments. Add creator and content or content. What is this? Did I fucking make this like way more hard? I think I fucking already did this shit. So let's just check and see if it's changed. All right. I think I should do this. If content services content type. Enters URL equals URL. So it goes in here and checks if it's changed. And if it has, if it did change, it's true. We'll change the content type. But now we need to know like what this URL is. So for okay, comma service uflags dot get service list. Right. There we go. Why is it like this? I don't know why it's like this. Expected one expression. Oh, my bad. All right. So if it contains, wait a second. Am I being dumb here? I think this might be stupid. What's this URL? Under time? Oh. Service dot. What? Oh, shit. That's it. Service flag. There we go. Content type, URL. See in here, like, I think this might be dumb. Yeah, okay. So it says if it's true. And then I can have like a service flag. Switch. What the fuck? Case. YouTube. Service flag. Uflag dot. Uflags dot Twitch. Case uflags dot YouTube. I just think this is dumb. I don't know why I'm doing it. I feel like I'm doing double work here. Content type. This is like the real poor part. Like for Twitch, like this is if it's found. Change content. Entries. If found equals true. I think here, like, it's not going to change for Twitch. Only if the service content type is changed. I guess we never know if like Twitch will have like a different, maybe someday they'll put like, they'll put videos. So I guess I can keep it in there. But I don't have like a section for it. I'll have to add it. I fucking hate this function. I hate this function! This doesn't feel good at all. It's because I added that info thing on it. Okay, so for the range of services, you get web UI and like, no. For the I range of info entries, string compare. And this entries is driving me fucking nuts. I think I want to rename it. I want to so fucking rename it. It's because I did it backwards. But I knew I needed to change it. So even though I know it's not going to do it, content type. All right, so we'll just do it in here. If it found true, all right, so C dot Twitch. If C dot Twitch C dot Twitch Twitch dot get clips initializer. Service.url, comma, in Go routines. I think I got to give it an address. So, C dot, what is it? Does it get, I'm going to do this just in case. C dot Twitch equals new, Twitch channel. That might be redundant. Comma error. Change bool. I think I want to put an error in here. I don't think I'm going to go into it if it's nil anyways. Do I want to return an error? Let's not return an error. We'll think about it. Errorlog dot error. Didn't get couldn't create I guess like couldn't create Twitch channel. Comma error. All right. Here's the harder one. I don't think this is being super fucking redundant. I'm gonna basically copy and paste this because if it's not found, then I'm gonna add it like this. This is more like universal, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like this. If c.youtube equals nil, because this is not gonna be nil because it's already there, right? And no, it should already have the URL. I guess like if I never started downloading it or like put it in there on accident, but never did anything with it. Entries but this is like in it, like basically this is just for like YouTube. If like I guess like URL strings. This is if like, how do I put it? It's basically for YouTube. If you're already getting the streams and you want to go ahead and start getting the videos, go for it. But hopefully like you'll never fucking use this part of it. But it's going to be running through here anyway. Yeah. Okay, so service flag. Uh, switch service flag. Oh shit. See? It's content creator. Yeah, I know it's not a very good one, but yeah, it's this guy here. With this shit in it. I just don't like how I'm writing it, but I'm covering every angle on this. Equals new YouTube channel. And this is where it gets super fucking hairy. Oh, okay. I should have this. So like in here, Twitch air equals gonna create Twitch channel. Here I should do like content type. In here, if it says like if content type, it says should be like video and or whatever. All right, so in here I should say like if service.content type strings.contains and service.content type comma uflags dot content dot what the fuck is this? Multi-stream flag. What? No. Both CPUs install one working CPU. Found out my BIOS is ancient. Yeah. Oh yeah, they never upgrade that shit. What is going on with this? Oh. You flags video. Ah, fuck. Video. String. Penny's well. Video, you flex videos, but have video. Fuck off, video. There we go. So there's no such thing as video. Video not supported here. Supported for Twitch here. Okay. This will need to be fixed. All right. So I guess I can put that there. And there we go. Should I return? No, I shouldn't return. Else I can't return. Unfortunately, I can't return because there could be tons of changes in this. I don't like this. I hate everything about this function. Makes me want to like throw it against the wall. It makes me want to fucking throw it against the wall. I'm looking, I have to, I just, it feels like I'm wasting my time. Am I wasting my time? Probably not. This part of it, I'm wasting my time, I feel like. But like the outside of this, it won't. This part here, this is not necessarily wasting my time. All right, so flags, YouTube. This part here is a waste of my time, but the else part here will not be wasting my time. Services. I'm gonna go ahead and put the else here, even though we're never gonna fucking do anything with this here. It's never gonna go into here. I guess like C dot Twitch. Add clips info. Twitch dot get links. What's the add clips info? Clip age. Oh shit, this is the wrong fucking one. Holy fuck. Gotta be careful with that. I thought I had a thing where I can just add the channel, add stuff to the channel. This is bad. This is kind of bad. There's a function I thought I had, but I'm not seeing it. I probably did it outside of it, but maybe I did it for YouTube. I could have done it for YouTube and haven't done it for like Twitch. Yeah. Add clips info. Check clips. Archive clips check. I think we'll have to do like the add check if muted audio. Get links initializer. I should probably have like a, I'm surprised I don't have it. Maybe I do have it here. Have some methods. Vinfo, info struct. Fucking deep, dude. All right, so we need to get like these streams, right? File pass. Oh, what is this? Let's just delete this. We'll use this channel though. All right, so C star channel. I guess like update info. I gotta think about this. Yeah, I should do it like this. So I was doing it outside of it, but I guess I should do it in here. Update streams. Let's think about this here in a little bit, because I probably have it here. I just thought it would be better to do it outside earlier. Everything's all fucking like add creator content, add channel. Is there like a way to like look at the init? Oh, interesting. Handler, warnings, flags. What the fuck is all this shit? All right. I never really like used this before. Yeah, update Twitch, update YouTube. So like I already kind of, where is that at? Update Twitch. I kind of did it out here already. I guess I'll use that. So I already did it out here. Update YouTube's fucking complicated. See update YouTube, see update YouTube. All right, so this is why I'm, what is this? Yeah, let's save it. Here, let's do this. There we go. All right. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Update Twitch. What? I gotta get the Twitch info. Streams. Oh my gosh. Fuck off. You're never gonna go in here anyway. You're never gonna go in here anyway. All right, so twitch.get links. Service.url. And go routines. And this will be like channel TW chan, comma error. If error not equal to nil, error up. My fucking finger is like twitching. My index finger is fucking shit twitching. So this will be like twchan dot streams. Does this return an error? No. Now this could be anything, but I think it'd be pretty major if I get an error here. So, although I don't think I'll ever get into the spot. Get links. There you go. No matter what, like me knowing in this would be like. Oh no, they'll have to fucking fix this shit. All right. New YouTube channel. Ugh. See update YouTube. Oh, if it's new. Which I will never get into this part, so. But you just never know. I guess it'll handle some edge case where somehow this got dropped behind. All right, so what's important though is now to know like YouTube has videos and has videos and fucking and streams. Okay. Get service list. Service flag, service list. Those are like those are the URLs basically. If it's content type. There we go. That's the thing here. I think here I can just do contains. Because it says like video and stream, and I'll just have to do it twice instead of like 3 times. Yeah, but it'll be like really weird. This is driving me crazy. Fuck off. This will not be no. How to do here? Get links initializer. I guess that. All right. All right. If not service flag. We got the service URL, info services, content type. Yeah. I think U flags, content type. It should be ooh. With the string. Okay. All right, so and I definitely need like a statement. So like if this dot content type strings dot contains comma, and then like U flags dot content dot string. And this will be like that. Yeah. I hate that it like goes all the way over there. What the fuck, Dio? U flags dot okay. Video dot string. That make more sense. Bow, 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 bow. Here's the bad part. Ooh. Oh, okay. We'll be cool. This will take into account. Okay. C.YouTube. Equals YouTube dot URL. Since service.url is like a lot easier. C type flags. Here's the yeah. U flags content. Yeah. Then we just put this here. Boom. I think I need to have an else in here because like it's not going to be nil. If it's both here, yeah. Well, I could check if it's nil or not. Yeah, there we go. So, video. What else do we put in here? Oh, that's it. You're not equal to nil. Flag. Is it log? Man, I wish I had Copilot right now. All right, so now put that in there, right? Now here's kind of like a struggle. So like, let's say I'm wanting the video and the stream, right? Now I filled this up. So I don't want to make like a new one. Oh, I guess I could just put it next. I could check to see if, yeah. So that was nil. But here we put it in there. Oh gosh. I gotta use the restroom. I think I gotta use this. Unless it didn't, like, if it didn't initialize anything. Maybe I need to have a thing in here, like... Did video. Did vidable. Did vid true. Oh, that's Twitch. Oh, wait a second. I just realized you had a Wilby. I noticed your fucking Slimeka. Sweet, man. I gotta use the restroom. All right, so if strings dot contains greatest karaoke performance ever. Has she done any more of that? I kind of clipped that, but I didn't really like. I didn't want to do like have too much of the songs in there because like YouTube hates fucking karaoke. You think like her new model's gonna be a I think it's gonna be a possum. She was on Christmas Eve. Like was like a while ago, right? Or did she have like another one? Slimekin came back again, right? Twice? Hold on a second. Because like there was like one time. Here, let's go to my. We'll stay in here. Pippa Pipkin. It feels weird saying Pipka Pipkin. It's like 4 months ago. There she is. Yeah, she had it there. But she did it like a year before that. Our new Oshi. I think it was for like April Fools. 2 years ago. Holy shit, that's awesome. She has so many fucking streams, dude. Do I type in Slimekin? I'm your new Oshi! April 3rd. I think she was sick or something like that.
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Okay, I did like my own. I did a clip. I'm gonna use the restroom. Well, was it? Slimekin Slima? I can't read that. Slimekin Slippa. Slippa. I wonder if mine will come up. Of course not. No one really watched it. Yeah, and this here, like I did this too. I only got like 25,000 views. Like, pisses me off. Pisses me off. Maybe I didn't put Slimekin Slippa in there. I'll have to go to my channel. There it is. I wasn't like getting as many hits.
It's good to meet you all. I feel like
Yeah, I gotta use the
we're
restroom.
friends. I'm a little bit shy, but I'm gonna introduce myself.
It's funny,
to
like
you.
people are like doing the pink
It's
shit,
my first time as a VTuber.
and then she's like,
Discounting all those
"You're
other
hurting my
streams I did.
feelings."
Let's go in here. I like crayons. Cause I'm cute. We'll use pink.
She,
You guys can see
Pippa
this,
said that she
right?
found like a
My name
Hot
is
Wheels, like a listing for $5,000. She's like, "Should I get it?"
Slimekin.
That sounds fucking ridiculous. Expensive. I'll be right back.
Say hello to me. Oh, let me move this so you got. Hold on. You guys are in the way. You're in the way of my career. I will destroy you. All right. What's a good fan name for you guys? I think Slippers is a pretty cute name. You guys are my slippers. I walk all over you. Hold on, I'm cute, so I'm gonna make these a heart. My colons are hearts. It's an anatomical impossibility. Slippers. That's you. Slippers. You guys are little slimes. Yay! Yay! I am wholesome, despite not really having any holes because I'm a slime. So, I should explain to you all. I'm the #1 idol in the world! Slimekin Slippa. It's nice to meet you all. I come from Faye's world, and I'm here to take over the world with my cuteness! Thank you, person who selling his wife. Am I high? You're high on life. Alrighty. My Oshi mark. Let's see. I want you guys to come up with my Oshi mark. What do you think would be a good Oshi mark? Let me know. It has to be made using emojis. I'm not using the poop emoji. Marmot. I feel like that might be, I don't think you guys are being very nice to me.
My headphones came undone.
I'm not feeling very welcome.
There we go. I'm not feeling very welcome.
Stop spamming those emojis. I don't like it. You know what? I'm taking you all off screen as punishment. Oh, Sanaka! Very cute. I'm gonna copy that one. My Oshi mark is the ribbon.
Dude, you gotta have the pink doo-doo.
And we'll fill that in pink so people know. Very good. This is my Yoshimar. It's cute like me. Alrighty. Now it's time to design an emote. Let's create an emote that we can use on the channel and you guys can share for me because this is my channel now. Dancing pudding. Okay, I don't really know how to draw that.
Oh,
I'll try.
I only got these. I can't do like Peppa emotes here.
I'm a bit of an artist.
But I can do this.
Kind of an artist.
I'm shrinking, chat.
I know
Holy
you
shit,
guys
does
might
someone give
not
me
be
like a...
used to that, but I have quite the skill.
Yamcha?
In
Bobo?
Faye's world, I went to Art Academy.
What the fuck?
It's true. It's true. I know you guys can't verify that at all. Because...
I got this.
Well, you guys don't have access to Faye's world. But it's true.
I keep on shrinking, chat.
We'll have my little hoge like this. And...
Where's it at?
Do, an outline
Oh, there it is.
Colors. She was rejected. You can't prove that. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you for libel. You better shut the hell up. I'll kill you.
She usually gets drunk during these streams, yeah.
Oh no, the music.
Any kind of karaoke, she's usually fucking drinking like well, she used to fucking drink moonshine, like flavored moonshine.
Ow, it's awkward. Oh no, the music ended! Ow, it's awkward. This is your fault. But it's okay. I forgive you. Because that's what real idols do. I know you guys aren't used to feeling as appreciated as I make you feel.
I thought I just
So
rewind it.
I'm gonna tolerate you all. Okay? Slimes are mean. I'm a good slime. I'm a good slime. You guys are being mean to me. You guys are all being mean to me. And a big...
I'm gonna kill you. Ah, now it's awkward.
A big smile! Doesn't it look just like me? Doesn't it look good? Big slime can smile! Smile king, smile!
Maybe I should make a slime.
That's me! Photorealism! True!
Photorealism.
Oh, I forgot my bows! Hold on! Now they're on the wrong side here, but I think that's okay. You're not even gonna be able to see them really when it's in emote form. You know? Which is really unfortunate because there's a lot of little details that really bring this emote to life. I'm gonna back off. And we're gonna go to the concert hall. That's right. There's a concert hall.
Yeah, bum, bum, bum.
I don't know. I don't know why you're trying to talk to Pippa. Pippa's gone.
I superimpose this.
Pippa is no more. Vtuber. Pretty good emote. I see you set it as your profile picture. That's pretty amazing. I think more people should be as dedicated of fans like
Wonder
you.
if it would be worth
You
learning to
do
rig on
better.
AI generated models.
It's a
They look like
little
shit.
difficult,
Well,
but I'm trying my best.
if you can like create, I don't know.
All right.
AI models out there look like shit.
I don't
But
know
could
how
you
to
make
really
like
know.
a model with AI? Maybe.
Oh,
You gotta
no.
do like separate
Wait, I
parts.
think I figured it out. Oh, disable channel memberships. Maybe I should do that so all the old Pippa fans go away. I want all the old Pippa fans gone. Oh. Are you
Yeah, there isn't any layers.
ready?
But I saw like a generator, AI generator, but it was like basically an AI generates a model and then like it does something. I don't even, I think it's like its own like program all contained.
Oh my gosh.
And it'll make like an avatar that looks like you, basically.
My heart is beating. And this one, thank you. We're getting sticky with this one. Goobers, rise up. Water. I have
But that was a free and open
water
source
because I'm
one.
cool and like Pippa. When I'm slime. When I'm slime. You're gonna miss me when I'm slime. You're good. Ah! Ah! I dropped the bottle of water! When I'm slime. When I'm slime.
Jeez.
It's not an idea without Scott.
Need to draw.
right?
Yeah, I just need to draw
Let's
something
get
too.
serious.
What you do is you do separate layers, layers on top of layers.
This next one.
So like for each arm, you have like a layer.
I hope you all enjoy.
Like each wrist, each hand, each finger,
let me
maybe
take a
even each
sip.
finger, right?
But
If
I'm
you wanna,
a
like-
slime.
If you want to like,
I'm a slime kid.
you know, rig it.
You're so very special.
Saba's like insane. I think she had to get rid of her ears because like it was just the comp, especially with like collabs.
I'm a slime.
I think she got rid of her ears, but she hasn't like streamed like in
I'm
2 or
a
3, almost 3 months.
slime I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
Cries toggle made.
Wow. That was so sad. Wow. I'd cry if I
She
had
eloped to
a
Philly, and yeah,
toggle
they probably had.
but I don't. So
They're
you'll just have
both
to imagine.
preggers. No.
You guys ever notice, like, when VTubers are crying, if they toggle their sad expression while they're crying IRL, it feels like a little bit weird, right? Like, I'm so used to seeing VTubers
Could you
cry
imagine
while they're
someone, like,
smiling because, like, they're
actually
so
cry,
upset
then they
that
toggle the
don't
crying?
The sad toggle. But, like, they're sad, and they're, like, crying, and then when they're, like, actually look like they're sad, it just feels wrong.
You can take a break, but
I think it's
then you have to
affecting
justify
the way I interact with people in real life. I don't interpret people's emotions the way that I used to. I watch too many VTubers.
who was fucking crying?
Can I get a amen in chat? You might be insane, but I'm a slime.
Well, Henya usually like pauses it,
Amen.
and she's like crying.
Sing a lot of amens. Alrighty. Ah! I clicked on an Asmongold video. Why does Pippa leave these open? Yeah, you know who this is. It's your one and only.
I think I did the whole slime
in the
can.
house. I am the only one.
Maybe I didn't do it.
I was a slime who dreamed to become somebody awesome in this world. If I hit 1,000,000 subscribers,
What the fuck?
I'll do a Slimekin the Slipper cover. Nate Swedberg, thank you. Slimekin is much better than Pippa, 39 male. True. Jesse, thank you. You look like an expired dessert. My fridge has grown self-aware. Self-respect, why the industry? We need more time.
Camilla crying? Oh yeah, I couldn't watch that.
I want Slimekin cover. Yeah,
couldn't watch that, dude.
I can't think you. Could you unprivate Pippa the Ripper and release the instrumental version while you have access to Pippa's computer? You know what? I can do that. Give
I should have made like a...
1 second.
I thought she meant make a Slimekin...
1 second. I know
A
I've been telling you
Slimekin,
guys to wait on me a lot,
thing for that,
you know,
but no.
I'm the kind of slime
It was
that
rough.
deserves to be waited on, so... It's just good practice.
Yeah, I was... Like, did she have like immediate family die and...
Transformation. Ditto. Ditto. I'm not Ditto. I'm Slime King Slipper. This is the slime from the...
Was it
Puke
Iran?
Store.
I know she's Persian.
With puke. Okay, slime. Pippa the Ripper is uploading. I am a bit of a people pleaser.
Oh, Lebanon?
I'm very selfless.
Okay.
I'm an empath. I care about what people
Oh my
think of
goodness.
me, but not...
What was Lebanon thinking? I know, well, they have like terrorist organizations. Like, they don't have that shit under control.
Like the way where I care about what people think of me. You know what I mean? I'm like both really thoughtful and humble, but also like very confident. Fear not, thank you. Slime is love. Slime is life.
The government really isn't a government.
Alrighty, Pippa the Ripper. I'm just gonna post the link on her Twitter account. And you guys are free
They need to figure that shit out, man.
to post it wherever you want to post it and stuff. Maybe somebody can make like a karaoke version or something. Ta-da! Pippa the Ripper! Instrumental.wave on Google Drive! It's uploaded onto Twitter! Or the link is on Twitter.
Siri owned it and wrecked it.
I think you slime love! Ram rant! Okay!
Mexico has gotten away with it.
Alrighty!
What?
18 naked slime cans in the showers at Ram Rant!
Yeah, this wasn't a very good clip. Because I was so afraid of like putting like the music in there. Cartels running the country. Oh yeah, they're like, well, I mean, government is a mob. They're mafia. Legal mafia. Right? So it's not like that much of a, you know, stretch to say, hey, like these cartels are running it, right?
Slime in the showers at Ram Ranch. Big horns, round and slimes, ramming cowboy slime. Like a breeding ram wanting to slime. What said it worse? Big horns, round and slimes, getting slimed real deep. Cowboys even
Wait a
getting
second.
slimed.
There was a Ram Ranch fucking reference the other day. There's a Ram Ranch thing the other day. Did I like that? Yeah, this is my other account. I'm gonna like it. Yeah. Let me put the music back on. Did vid? Oh gosh. So this was if it was new. No. If did vid. I think this will be like C dot add channel. Oh, wait a second. Maybe I had this already in here. Huh. Let's look at this. Add channel. I already had this shit in there. URL string. Yeah. All right. What the fuck? Good luck with the code. I need to get to bed. Thanks for Slimekin Shippa. I can just do this. I already fucking had everything set up. Maybe that's why I was kind of feeling like I was... Update content. Oh, baby. Update Twitch. Oh. See, I did like the update content for YouTube, but I didn't do the fucking update content for Twitch. My goodness gracious. I knew it. I think here... All right. What is it? What does this do exactly? Yeah, I already checked that YouTube's not able to know. Holy fuck. U-Flags video. Else. Oh, what's this? Get links initializer. U-Flag Steam. What? This doesn't look right. This should be like U-Flag's video. Content streams? What the fuck? Yeah, I think this is supposed to be YouTube. Ooh. Content video. There we go. There we go. Interesting. I did not catch that before. Else? Let me double check this. Where does that start? I know that starts there. That there. Oh. There should be an else in here. Oh, that's like for YouTube video. All right, so U-Flag stream. Temp. Why is this 0? There's nothing in there. I was probably drunk. What the fuck? Let's delete this. Yeah. So I don't understand what's going on here. Temp. Oh. What this does is this, I think this puts it on top. New content. Right? YouTube video. I think this is, the videos are empty, right? I'm adding the channel. And I think I am not doing any checks. I'm just taking it for granted that it knows what it's doing. Because the temp here, make streams, make that info. And then we add to it. Because it's like a, you got to add stuff to it. Okay. Interesting that I'm using this. All right. I thought I was not going to be using that. Check for and add new creator content. All right, so add channel. Interesting. So this is kind of like redundant. All right, so, but this is checking both of it. And so I'll like do just c.add channel, c.add channel, and this will be service.url, comma, and then in go retains, comma, contents, this might, so if I do like this twice, if I do like and do this, zoom, and then I can just do an else if. This will just make it much easier to fucking handle. Add returns, add channel, content. It'll never go into this one. Well, I guess it could. But I think it checks it maybe. I'll have to double check. Contents, flag content. Oh, this will be nothing. This will be if YouTube not able to know, man, I like, oh man. Okay, holy shit. Holy fucking shit. This is what happens when you like do something like way before. I don't even need to do this. I don't need to check if it's nil or nothing. I just got to check these. All right. Man. Ember Go routines, and then like, what does it say? U flags. So I guess like U flags dot like video comma U flags stream. Does that return error? All right, so if error. Oh, I thought I was hitting backspace or delete. If error not equal to nil, holy shit. Do I even need to do any of this? I guess I do have to like send in these things. Okay. So this goes through just this code. There might be like multiple contents, like if they're not able to know, what we'll do is just do like a, we'll do like a errlog.error and fuck off. There we go. Errlog.error and error and c.add channel and content changed. See. What was it? Content changed? Come error. I guess like the problem would be like, get my servers back up and running, installing stuff. So nerve-wracking. I don't mind like installing stuff. Yeah. So I guess I'm gonna do this twice. This will just be for streams. Else if I think I could have done this like only twice, but video. I think it'd be best to do it like this. And then we'll have this here. And this will say video. There we go. And here's like, if it twitches at nil or whatever, like, I don't need this. All right, so C dot add channel service dot URL and go retains, and then this will be uflags dot stream. There we go. I just opened Twitter and Grimy is asking about dewormer off. What the fuck? Is he going to eat horse paste? You just shove it up your ass? Is that how you deworm yourself? You shove a tube up your ass? All right, what was I even doing here? Why am I breaking here? Changed equals true. What am I breaking here? I guess it didn't change. Found equals true. Wait a second. It's a pill. This fucking thing's like out of control. I can't even fucking read this. I think that's like one thing that's probably why I hate this so much, because I can't fucking read this. I have no idea what I'm fucking doing. And it's like so fucking deep within this embedded shit. It's so fucking ridiculous. What's going on with X? Be wary. Should I click this? Heavy kinks and trauma kinks. What did Henry just say? I miss Epic Loop Chime. Filters are next pretty good. I basically keep everything non-filtered. Yeah. FBI agent, what the fuck is this? Put all your money on it? Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh. If you pay a woman to give birth to her own biological child and hand it over, you are purchasing a baby. If a woman offered to sell her baby, that would be a felony. What's the difference? That's kind of a... Palantir CEO. The way you dominate the future is you dominate the present. America seems to be the only Western country that believes we will be around in 900 and 1,000 years. The problem in Europe is none of the leaders believe they're going to exist in 50 years. Ha! World War III just begun, chat. Okay, so all 4 of these gals on the bottom were going to be part of VShojo. I didn't realize that. I didn't realize that Jaden Animations was going to be part of VShojo. I don't know who the other girls are from. Yeah. I was gonna like that. What the fuck?
Hugh, Diana, Hugh, Diana, Hugh, Diana, Hugh, Diana, Hugh, Diana, and I'm Henya! Hugh, Diana, Hugh, Diana.
All right, let's. PNG. 2. What else do we got? A million units? Nice. I really want to play this game. Bait or mental retardation. I feel like someone can make a lot of money by having a content creator management platform and also cut the current manager's revenue. You just be running your own corp. Midwit tries to force Grok in a corner but gets BTFO'd. I addressed all the previous points one by one. If you are serious about the truth, you should answer all my questions with yes, no. You restated your position instead. Pick one. Answer the question directly or acknowledge your claims relies on interpretation rather than fixed observed criteria. I've addressed your points with observable textual evidence from your original question, not interpretation. Your list demands yes-no binaries that misframe my criteria as subjective. It's not, obviously not, plus probably some mix of are explicit textual preemptions, not neural hypothesis. I reject the forced choice substance over format, the question steered by loading the deck up front. Holy shit! Is they manage themselves with a simple UI. Oh, I see. What the fuck? What happened to Tom Hardy? He's fucking old. Aging happens. Having nostalgic grandpa be like,
Black pig. Back in the day, we could joke about anything. Now you can't even see black.
was that safe? Absolutely nothing wrong. Fails anyway. Fucking like Sega decided to cut out, man. I don't know what. It didn't seem like people were not buying it. What the fuck am I looking at? Oh my gosh. Where's all my Japanese? Bacteria move around using a molecular machine called the flagellar motor that rotates faster than the flywheel of a race car engine and switches directions in an instant. After 50 years, scientists have finally figured out how it works. My lifelong question is now fulfilled. Is this an ad? How does it work? What do you mean, how does it work? Here, I'll give her. Bam. Arch Linux deletes Ex Libre wiki page, cites code of conduct. Yeah, if your open source has a code of conduct, you're probably fucked. Is this the farmer? This is the Japanese farmer girl. Yesterday, I had a house wide open. It hit 40C, and I totally freaked out, right? Today, I hope the silver peels off nicely. It rained more than I thought, so it might be a hassle after peeling. I can't even imagine it. This looks like it's fake. Someone needs to take AI away from their regime. From the regime. This is embarrassing. Oh, benefits of marrying my sister. She had no boyfriend for ages, so she has a good amount of savings. No friends to hang out with on days off, so she has a good amount of savings. Only has unedited, no makeup photos, so she doesn't get hit on and has a good amount of savings. What the fuck is this? Shy introvert, so she has a good amount of savings. When she's drunk, she loosens up and decreases it. Oh, and it decreases a little the savings. High earnings career nurse, so she has a good amount of savings. So I don't get it. Are you marrying your sister? Oh, I think this is a bot account. Holy fuck, that's gross. Oh my gosh, fuck off! Yeah, I knew like a place that had this. This typewriter's badass, dude. It's so fast. Neuron trying to connect to other neurons. Holy shit, that's fucking amazing. It's like it's dancing. Oh, it is fast. This is in slow-mo, dude. This is slow-mo. Of course they'd have to fucking do that. That's regular speed right there. So this is slow-mo. Wait a second. This is slow-mo. That's regular. That ball's fucking less. This is fucking crazy. Is it gonna connect to something? Connect to something, bitch. No way. I think this was already up. Yeah, I think this was already up. I think the schedule was already up weekly. Yeah. Yeah, I already checked. Oh yeah. Eat that shit. What is this? Boys without girlfriends, what are you doing? Your mom. I clicked on it. Oh. There we go. Parents decide when they bought the device for the child. Parents decided when they did or did not engage with existing tools. Government demands aren't going to change these things. Ladies, parents. No. You. Okay, you don't understand. You don't understand. Why is this not down there? This is basically. This is a means to implement digital ID eventually. If not like right away. Eventually, if not right away. Then they can lock you out. Then they can lock you out of your devices. If they should, so please. Track your anonymous. Track what you post. Oh yeah. Track what you post and internet. History. The works. Next step would be basically enabling social credit. There we go. Everybody has like the wrong idea. They think this is about age verification. They think that the quote unquote age verification being implemented OS side is all about parental control or whatever. It's basically going to be your digital ID. How else are they going to verify that your age unless you put your fucking ID in there? If they're doing it, yeah, if they're fucking doing it, why would they fucking make it a law? These fucking these companies could be able to work with each other in order to enable some sort of age verification without having a law between like OSs and basically between OSs and websites. The only reason why they need to make it a law is so they can implement digital ID. That's my personal fucking opinion. We are heading towards 1984 fucking bullshit. All right. Where does this end? Okay. Case. No. Default. Unsupported. Unsupported service. I didn't know this fucking function was going to take so much time. Okay, this is... I'm running through all the services, like web entry, right? Changed bool. So this is if I already had shit on there, right? If not found, what's breaking here? Why are we breaking here? Oh. I kind of want to put that up here. Break. Else. I think we're cool here. Now I can have this. Yeah, so break. What is this? Holy fuck, this is so hard to read. Okay, so it's like, it's cycling through these. Found true. If not found, why is it? Oh. Oh, if it's not found in here, then I gotta redo this shit. All right, have a good one. Entries I. What's this? All right. All right, so if string. So this is like just a URL. Okay, okay. This is the main one. Info entries. Okay. This is so fucking complicated. I wish I was drunk. This will make this so much easier. Why is this bool here? It should be like services. Info. See info entries. Okay. Ooh, shit. I have a feeling I'm fucking doubling my work here. I think this ad channel's already been in there. It's because I fucking added this info thing that made it a pain in the ass. And just does it get links? Okay. All right. I'm running through those services. I checked everything here. Info entries. If changed. Okay. All right, I have this here. And service entries. Now I see why I have it, because I have this entries in here now. Before I was just checking it. I was just checking it. Okay, service flags. Man, I kind of feel like I don't Service log. What is a service log? Okay. Service URL. So it didn't find that shit. All right, so entries I service content. Content type. This seems weird. Get service list. Why am I... Shit. Content type. Yeah, this seems weird. Entries I, content type. Like, why would I do this? Why would I set this to equals? I can't think of any reason to do that. Because content type, service content type, URL content type. Because it's going to be new no matter what. That's why. It's changing in here. It's changing in here. Because if they're not equal, then it's changing. That's why. All right, so that's why it's doing it. Yeah. Compare if found true. It's fine. Entries. It goes through all services. It goes through all the entries. It does not find. It's called an entry. I really want to rename this. I guess this will be like creator entry. It's not an entry. It's technically like I'm gonna save it as entry in here, but it's not an entry. Like I fucking hate the word entry for this. This will be like content. Yeah. Yeah. Content. Yeah. It hates this. All right, so entries. It's gonna hate me for this. There we go. So entries. Content. I think that's like part of like the issue. I kind of want to. Can we call a entry here? I think I want to call this a content. And then content. I'm going to call this service. There we go. Yeah. So here, this will be service. Right. So I guess like services. Ooh. What is it? Append service. But I think the other one's like technically content. I guess I don't have anything else in here. All right, so and this will be web UI dot. Yeah, I called it service, right? Yeah. I like, yeah. You know, content type. What the fuck? Out. Out. Get links initializer. What is this? URL. All right. What is this? Strings that contains URL. Oh. Strings that info dot content. Okay, okay. And then URL. I shouldn't rename this. Info content. Service. URL equals service dot URL. What is this contents? Oh, this is completely different. Holy shit. See that content changed. What are the services? Oh, okay, okay, okay. This will be info dot content. All right. I should rename this to services. I think this will be. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. What's wrong with this? There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. It's not content, it's services. Content's when you actually have it. Ad creator. Oh, yeah, this one's. Services. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier to read. Okay, channel. Services. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. No, go routines. Is that it? I guess we'll return this. Oh, wait a second. So I did find it, and then we're just doing this. I don't know why I'm wanting to see if it's changed. Maybe I just want to have like if changed, like maybe like make it info. So change comma error equals that. If changed, fuck. Erlog dot info MSG string channels services changed. Intent. Services for content changed. Changed. Yeah. Args. There's none. I guess I could put in like. Ooh. I'll put like info. There we go. There we go. Why is this here? If changed. What the fuck? Oh. Info. Services. Wait a second. Contents. What the hell is this? Oh, this is a new creator. What is this contents? I guess it was this. Switch content. I don't know what this is. If not found, change. So this is adding it into it. I think I gotta grab this. There we go. Wait a second. Where's this? I guess this could have been its own function. Wait a second. All right. I did copy that, right? It has no problem with this. Service URL. Okay, didn't have a problem with that. I think this is it. Because this is adding the channel. This is adding the channel that services I. Oh gosh. I think I need to go in here for the range of info as services. I'm not 100% sure what I need to do here. So let's make a thing in here, like make a comment. So okay. So it's going through the services that are passed here through the web UI. So it's stepping through that. It's seeing this here, right? And then it's going through each service that's held by the content creator. Or each service that the content creator uses. It compares the URLs to each other. If they're equal, it's found true. Now, the content type could change, but if they're the same, we break. If it's different, we're fucked. So we go into here and we gotta like make changes accordingly. Okay. Found content. Found service content. Content type. I can leave. Oh, wait a second. The content type is all good. We can leave it alone. And break. And leave this loop. And leave the c.info.service loop. Yeah. Else, we have to change it. This will be rare. This will hopefully be rare. But it might, but for YouTube, this could happen. So these are edge cases. I should make like a function in this in itself, I think. So, but it's, if found true, it'll break. So if not found, in this, so there won't be like a URL. In any of these. I think we gotta append it to it. Before I was just gonna make this like a quick go in and check, but then I was like, well, I might as well just do all the fucking changes in here anyway. And I think that's where I kind of like, I messed up. So now, so it was not found. The service, let me take this. Was not. Okay. This service, that URL was not found in any of the services in c.info services. So we need to add this service to this content creator. All right. All right. Now I think I'm like, yeah. Yeah. Automatic changed. So I guess what I got to do here is service flag string. Okay. Like, I don't think I need this. Yeah. Wait a second. So this gets a list of the service flags. And I don't think I have to do anything, because like inside of here, if strings contains content service.content type, it just adds the channel. If it was a service flag Twitch, right? And YouTube, it says contains. This does all three. And add channel. And I think this just goes in and be like, get links initializer. So if it equals nil, if it doesn't equal nil and the YouTube streams equals nil, it'll fucking put that shit in there. Else, and it kind of checks the flags and all that shit. Yeah, so I think like we're all good with this. I don't think I need to do anything else other than in here. Where is it at? Okay, other than I think I need to add this service to it. The service here. So like c.info.services. I almost want to just like hit append. Append like comma and then like yeah. I think this is it. Because it checked it all and it's not there. And if changed. I don't. Oh. I don't need to add this. Because you're just going to add it all in there anyways. And then like here, we'll just do like C-info content. And then like. And we'll just. There we go. And then we'll return nil. Do we ever return an error? I do like a lot of error logs that are in there, but like, huh. But I got to keep on going. So maybe I don't even need an error log. I think I do like return on one of these. Holy shit, I don't know. Let me see. We'll put var error here. There we go. It's just here. Okay, so we just need to do this. All right. If changed. Contents? What are contents? Add creator content. Did I just fucking do that in here? I think I just did. New creator. Oh, this is a new creator. Okay. Holy fuck. Content. Undefined type handle order has no field or method. I really need to separate this shit out. What's this? Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what this is. So this is already finding stuff in here. So this is adding creator and content. Oh, and or content. Ha. So this is like doing and or existing content. So what's the content? I think this was here before. Right? But I switched this. You flag stream. Strings at URL. Service URL. I think this was taken in like I think with the info web creator, I see what's happening. I had something else in here. I think I had like two different things in here coming in. And since I kind of changed the order, I kind of like flipped it inside out. This got changed out because like it used to be like these. It used to be like an array or a slice of these flags. So this whole thing has to fucking change. Yeah. And it's fucking long. It's almost like content changed here. It's almost that. As a matter of fact, like I'll probably just like copy and paste a lot of this over there. Because it's not looking through this any longer, really. YouTube base URL strings URL. And this was like add creator. Services, I got the service URL. YouTube base URL. And this will be like add channel. I think I can use this add channel. Okay, add channel takes in the routine and takes in the contents flags, right? I swear to goodness, I think I can just use that one, this add channel, because we created it, right? And now I can just do this like 3 times. Yeah, I think that's what I can do. Which is basically this. Let's see what this is. So there. All right, so let's copy this. Once I run it the first time, I'll see if it fucking works, right? Fucking works, bitches. Initialized. Case false. What the fuck? So I don't understand this one. Like, oh, initialize true. I don't know why I had. Oh, because it's taking edge cases. Because I didn't want to like go in there like that. But I think like, I swear to goodness, I think this fucking fixes it. All right, so let me like do this. There we go. And like, return true. No. Okay. Maybe here? Service flags. What did I add in there? Okay. Boom. Close this. Is that good? See? Oh my gosh. Oh. New creator. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. I think the service, that URL and all that shit here is different. This will be like info services. Oh, okay, okay. We're kind of cool. We're cool with that. URL. We're not using this. Let's delete that. So all these like C should be like that. Boom. Like that. Like that. Like that. Yeah. Because we made a new one. What is this? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna. All right, it's not add channel. Content changed. Holy fuck. Basically, it's like. All right, so this one is like ad creator. What the fuck, Dio? Okay, found bool. If found. What the fuck? Why is this returning now? Okay, return true. Return false. It's like this is a completely different one. I'm gonna delete this. I just can't believe this is not like return false. If found info erlog.info creator already in system. We probably don't need that, so and we'll put creator. There we go. If error, do I even like? Oh. All right. I guess I'll return an error here. A lot of this is done in this content change. This is not content change. This is actually at, and this is H. That's that. Mr. That's that. This lets me know like where I got this shit. Content change, what the fuck? No, this is H. There we go. There we go. So we don't necessarily want to like panic or anything like this, but we need to tell it that there's an error, right? Let's click on this again. Only time we really return an error is here. ID is the same. Yeah, so this is like this is so fucking rare. It'll probably never fucking happen. Especially now that I deleted all the previous history. But we'll but it'll be fucking major though. All right, so what the fuck is this? Error not equal to nil. Yeah, I don't even think we like handler. We don't even do fucking anything with it. Yeah. What the fuck? Holy shit, where was that at? Let me do this. All right, so when adding creator, okay. Okay. H dot. Comma creator, comma error. There you go. Oh, Billy. I think after all that shit, I should save it. Right? Because it's like fucking adding a bunch of stuff to it, so I might as well like h dot save data. Yeah. Man, that was fucking heavy. What is this? Why do I have this here? If not found, share. If changed. Yeah, so this is changing it. But we're looping through it all. At the end, we know we're going to change it. So, boom. Get services. Add channel. No more go routine. So this is like fucking doing some heavy lifting just by looking at this. I was thinking about like, I guess like any channels will do that. So I was thinking about, but like checking this like every half an hour. Hopefully it's not going to be doing like, I don't want it to like, if it's already got it and everything, I don't want it to do like any kind of like downloading. This is just checking to see adding new stuff in there and or if there's any changes. Service. If we found that service, break. Where'd it break? If not found, that's after change everything. If it was found, we're all good. We'll skip it. If not found, it's adding in there. If it did not change, bam, bam, bam. All right. Excellent. Add creator content. What the fuck is this? Okay, so this is the ad. So this is where we did this. Change content changed. Ah. But yeah. But we don't need it. Wait a second. This is compare, return true. So if we do a compare info name, okay. This is found true. If it did find true, okay. So it's already going like through all the creators that this has. If info ID was that for all the things, yeah. So it's already going in there. It's it checks the change to true. It kind of goes through there pretty quick. So it runs through all of these. If it doesn't see where the IDs equal, JSON ID int, info ID int, it'll just return and blah blah. True. And this is if it's new stuff, it adds it on in false. So only time it does like an initialize or grabs other shit is when you're adding the channel or when you're adding new stuff to it. Not if it's already there or if you change stuff. Excellent. Because I don't want to be, if it's not changed, like I don't want to be like going through like YouTube and scanning through all that shit all the time. Like that'll be like fucking dumb. But I want to do this like every 15 minutes, an hour or whatnot. Yeah. 15 minutes to 30 to an hour or whatever. And yeah. So what's this ad creator? Ad creator? Oh, this is ad creator and or context contents. So this is actually taking like before I had like, oh, before I took in the name and the contents and I took in all this shit, right? But now I'm taking in info, and that's why it's way more complicated. Because it just automated it all. I should have like, honestly, I should just like put this a level above. Like ad creator. That's what I should have done. Where's this at? Test main. Oh, I did this like, oh my gosh. This is my original UI to start off with. They have a starting point, but now I don't need it. I can delete it. I should just delete this. All right, so I don't need it. It's so much different now and I don't need it. Now it's just running it. Get clip manual info. Holy shit. It's almost 2. Okay, tomorrow. My goodness, I didn't think this was going to take so long. This is why when you're 90% done, you got to finish the other 90%. True. What's this? The outline. So, I don't know if I should test that. Maybe I should run like a little test and bring it all in. Because then I'll at least like, I'll have some files in there like, yeah, that's what I should do. Matter of fact, I already have like a couple things already added. So where's it at? Not here, not here. Here, I got like this. Yeah. And like, eventually I'll add Pippa. So these are the things that are already in there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I might do it. No, I'm not going to run it now. What I want to do though, I want to be tomorrow during the day. I want to set up a, a database. Well, I gotta fix my Proxmox. And so on there, I might do some of it streaming. But like for me, like it's in the other room, so I gotta install shit in it. So maybe I'll bring the the server in here and fix it in here. But I gotta clean up some space or whatnot. So but I might do that during the day. We'll see. Plus, like it'll allow me to be in this room with a monitor and all that shit. And then I gotta move stuff over from my Proxmox over to like there's a couple of I gotta reinstall Proxmox. That's what I gotta do. Yeah, maybe I'll okay. I'll make a stream out of it. Because like I'm saving all the shit to files right now. But I should be saving it to, I should be creating like calls to a database instead. Because I think like different sections of this, it'll just be so much easier to deal with than like coming back and then like saving like this file or whatnot. Like it does that all on their end. I don't even have to fucking worry about it. And plus like I was thinking about adding some tags too. So like tags. So like in here I could put like I think I have like a downloaded, but I can be like I can have like another one on here. I was thinking about putting like in progress, downloading in progress. I could put like an in progress. And so like if it's in progress, then it could check the database and kind of go through the list. And if something's not in progress, then it won't do anything. But when it is, like, let's just go ahead and put that. All right, so in progress, dealing. In progress, bool. So it'll check if it's false, right? And then I'll do it. And if what happened to it? There it is. I hit Control X on accident. So okay, so I should have it for there and for YouTube also. Okay, so we got infos, and I don't have like a downloaded. All right, so downloaded, cool, and then like DLing in progress, cool. And then we'll add these. So check those. Download it elsewhere. Yeah. This is the Fish multi-stream. So a lot of this stuff will be empty until like I update the information. And that's the thing too, like I can go in there and like SQL is like fucking fabulous for like transactions, because like you gotta wait till like stuff updates. Like it's not gonna wait, right? Like it's all updates then. But it's all in tables. So yeah, I'll have to have some help with that. But Alex or Comfy told me that he'll help me out with that. With the SUPA database or whatever the fuck it is. Yeah. So during the day, I'm gonna try to fix my Proxmox. Let me schedule something. All right. YouTube. Papa Ken and Mama Ken had fun in Japan. Was this like, what was this? All right. Monday. What's today? Monday? Intel losers. Go live. This will like force me to do it during the day. Schedule stream. We'll do this one. So we'll reuse this. Let's be on the 21st. Fixing my Proxmox. Server. I have to totally reinstall Proxmox. Yeah. But I need to save. I need to save some, what are they called? I need to save some those are fucking called virtual machines. All right. Yeah, because I added a nick to it. And that's like a no-go. So yeah, if you add a nick to it, it's bad. Because it seems like if you add if you add a network card to the Proxmox, all of a sudden like all your network card information gets changed. And what I did is like I changed it all, right? I in the settings and all that. And like I did like an update in the thing and like everything got reset. So yeah. So let's make like a thing here. And I'm gonna put like AM. AM. And let's make this. I think I got like a Proxmox thing. This will force me to do it instead of falling asleep. Rare AM stream. Okay. Is it this? Nope. Come on, bitch. Fixing my Proxmox server. Yay! Yay! And plus, like, maybe like we'll have some fun and like install like a Factorio server maybe, and like and see if we can install like a what's it called? I got several types of servers, but like install a fucking, what's the fucking server called? Satisfactory server. I don't know. Maybe just a satisfactory server. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a Factorio server too. I got some other games too. I got like Rust. I got tons of things I want to like have set up for my community, for subscribers, for members only. That being said, I might just add the database to my current server. There's nothing wrong with doing that. With the one that this is working on, there'd be nothing wrong with doing that. I thought like maybe like if I'm gonna have like all those other servers, I gotta see like how much is needed. Yeah. Fixing my Proxmox server. Yay! All right, so I think I got a Proxmox picture. Proxmox. What? What? I don't have any nudes in here, do I? Thank goodness. All right, let's see if I got a Proxmox in here. There it is. We'll use this one. Right? Or this one. Insert new layer. So that's the green behind it. All right, so in here, it's sharing this. So let's do this. We're gonna erase this. And why is there so much space underneath it? Okay, there we go. All right, and then we're gonna resize it. We can like copy layer style, paste. This will put purple around it. Never mind, we don't need that. Let's see what this does. Yeah. So let's resize this. Wow. And we'll put it behind that. Bam. Make this bigger. Fixing my Proxmox server. Can I like resize this? Oh, I can. Hell yeah. So now that's all that. And maybe like I can add these things to it. Oh, I haven't been doing like the kitty background. There we go. Where's the kitty? What the fuck, Dio? Let's put these all in a group. Bitch. All right, so why is that like that? I can't see shit. I can't see shit. So why is this clear? What the fuck? Let's group these. Let's move it up. There it goes. What the fuck? That's why. We'll put this like right behind this. So why, wait a second. Why is this clear? Normal. That's what's going on. Background. So we gotta get the kitty in there. Let's bring this up front. This is kitty in it. There we go. There we go. And this will be like 100%. Almost 100%. It's just, I just want to change the color a little bit. I want more orange. I want to kill that fucking green. So, red kills green. All right, so we can, not that one, this one. There we go. Old school. Old school. What the fuck, Dio? It should have just been this. What the fuck? All right. Yay! 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 All right. And I want to move this out of it because that's annoying. All right, so boom. Create its own group. Copy. Wait a second. We don't want to copy that layer style, but we'll copy this layer style and put it here. Paste layer style. Bam. So this allowed to overlay it. And now I can move this up. Or make it bigger. Or both. Fixing my Proxmoxer, yay! So, save as. This is why I hate fucking thumbs. 21 a.m. Save. File save as. Akrita. And I'm going to make it, let's go to pictures. Boom. Next. Next. $10:30. I used to do 10 a.m. during the day. So I got to get up at 6. All right, so that was that. So that was for this account.
Are you in game?
Excellent. All right, so copy V. I got to fix my Proxmox server, yo. There we go. Live reactions. Oh shit. I do this every once in a while. I forgot to put the thumb in there. All right, so there we go. Boom. All right, so and then I'll add that into the other one. to my Twitch. I'll do that in the morning, or after I go to sleep. After I sign off. But speaking of which, I'll see y'all. I will see you all in 8 fucking hours, yo. Hell yeah. 8 fucking hours, dog. Neko files. All right, have a good one. Stay out of trouble, and yeah. Hopefully I'll be doing some fucking editing here soon. All right, bye. Did this even record? Did I record this? I don't think I recorded the stream. I did not record the stream. I usually record every stream. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.